Okay, production-wise, yeah, I mean, I'm confident naman in TGS, no? And then not just in TGS, but in every SHS organization involved, those Transocks, performing orgs, SC. Pero yeah, I'm very proud naman. And I'm very proud of TGS specifically kasi yun nga, I've seen them working, especially yung mga juniors. I can tell na they're doing great. And that alone gives me enough confidence na, ayun nga, the production would go well. Pero rest assured, we could always, things could always be better, and that's a good mindset naman for us na graduating na, pero definitely for the juniors na who will continue. Feeling, syempre kinakabahan, di pa ako kumakain. Pero ayoko kasi mabate, baka malasin pag kumain ako. Pero ayun nga, as I said kanina, I'm very happy seeing yung juniors working and seniors working together. Then, ayun nga, a bit sad din kasi technically parang ito na yung last na major event namin as seniors. Pero I'm more than grateful na we've come this far. So yun nga, very excited na lang to see how this one will end.
Well, as the kickstart event of this year's Senior High School Week, siguro dapat yung i-expect na it's fun-filled as always and that it's full of surprises as well and that people should really take the fun and make the most out of it na lang din. Nasusok. Kinakabahan ako kasi syempre as one of the production staff here and the main like coordinators for the whole event. Syempre the ultimate goal for me and for the whole team is to make sure na smooth yung buong program. So ayun, by sa mabuting kapalaran, I hope that comes true.
When preparing for an event, primarily, we face challenges when it comes to conceptualizing ideas. Lalo na, ang goal talaga namin is to make every event different than before and, to make it extra special and make the UST SHS students experience better than ever.
So, whenever na meron kaming ma-encounter na technical difficulties, of course, first is never panic. Kasi if we panic, mas lalo kaming mahihirapan maghanap ng alternative or solution. Then, before an event din naman kasi, we also think kung anong possible technical difficulties yung encounter namin. So, if ever na may ma-encounter man kami, may alternative na kami na nakaready. Well, given na medyo kulang din yung equipments na nabigay for this opening ceremony, of course, it's not compare sa parang big productions, definitely mas mababa yung sound quality. Pero I can rest assured naman na it won't affect the quality ng buong program natin.
Of course, we all know that UST SHS Week is ongoing 8 years now, and as we celebrate the 8th year of UST SHS, we will expect spectacular performances, especially from Galvanize, from Sinagtala, and also parts from Sinag Ballroom, the university's premier Sinag Ballroom company.
And of course, aside from the performance today, of course, we shouldn't forget to appreciate those behind the scenes who made this event possible. And we expect you guys from Senior High na Senior High, mag-ingay.
I'm waiting for the representatives of the different strands para ma-brief ko sila on what they're gonna do later. Right now, very excited kasi this is my first on-site work. Actually, hindi ko first on-site work, pero first on-site SHS week ko. So, very excited and I hope I have fun later.
Since runners kami, we expect na syempre maraming utos sa amin. Tapos lalo na mainit. Yeah. Pero of course, we're ready for the task. And yun din, siguro since this is a really big event, medyo challenging din yung pagkakaroon na very successful. Pero of course, we'll strive to achieve it.
Aside from the golden spotlight, what TGS word should we aim for today?
We should achieve today is the greatest show! Yay!
Since Senior High School Week is being celebrated once a year, syempre gusto namin i-highlight ang mga estudyante kasi being here sa field, parang we are together as one. And syempre, nasi-celebrate din natin yung mga achievements natin as senior high school students. And dito din nasi-showcase ang iba't ibang strands, talents, and etc. So for the highlights, gusto ko yon ipakita para makapagbigay ng name to SHS na very talented and creative.
Yeah, actually, dapat meron kami kasaliang competition. So, yung preparation time lang talaga namin, 1 week lang. So, talagang nag-cram kami ng script. During Holy Week, hindi kami nag-break. Gumawa lang talaga kami ng script para mahabol namin. Tapos pagpasok galing Holy Week, nag-practice agad kami, nag-ano agad kami. So, ganun siya, sobrang hectic for us kasi talagang bigla na lang kaming from competitions, biglang closing ceremony, opening ceremony, sorry. So, ayun, pero naman, masaya naman yung process eh. Talagang, makakabanding mo yung mga ka-org mo na tinuturing na rin family. So, ayun, sobrang big event neto. Last year kasi nag-perform din ako sa grandstand ng closing. So, yung mga kasama ko, mga freshies sila. So talagang, talagang ginaguide ko sila. Pero at the same time, parang, pag nakikita ko silang na-excite, yung, parang nawawala yung pagod ko, ganun. So yung preparation talaga namin, as much as possible, ayoko siyang gawing sobrang nakaka-stress. Kasi, syempre, nakaka-stress na yung mismong event, so pag yung preparation stress din, ayun. Inspiration namin sa performance namin actually, yung UST Senior High School community mismo. So, sa pyesa namin, inisa-isa namin yung bawat strand, may MAD, may STEM, and other strands, ganun. Talagang, nag-research pa kami, nagtanong-tanong pa kami sa mga ka-org namin, tapos parang mga kakilala namin from other strands na parang, anong mga trauma? Hindi naman sa trauma, pero ano yung mga nararanasan nyo sa strand nyo, ganun. Parang anong meron sa strand nyo. So, talagang pinaghandaan talaga namin siya ng sobra. Tapos, yung isa ko pang naging inspiration personally, yung mga bata. Kasi nga, freshies sila. So, first time nilang mag-perform sa grandstand. So, gusto ko siyang maging okay for them. Kasi, as a senior, last year na, gano'n, talagang. Last performance ko rin as UCC Nagtala member. From Alab to here, biglang, gano'n. So, parang, ginagawa ko talaga to namin for the whole UCC Senior High School community. And ako naman, para sa mga bata, sa mga freshies.
We play a crucial role in events like this because we make a cohesive and engagement strategies to resonate with the audience, of course. Like this, katulad ngayon na Senior High School Week, we have to be engaged full para mas maramdaman nila yung fun and activities na madadala nitong event na to. So, some of the highlights of it is, of course, during preparation, nandoon kami. During the mismong event, after the event, first we create impactful taglines and hashtags for it, for the event, para mas lalong maparating kung ano ba, kung para saan tong event na to. And then, we play a crucial role din talaga when it comes to communication because we manage the social media accounts of the TGS to be more engageful in the community of the UST. So, I encourage everyone to be part of our department siguro because there's a lot of opportunities in here, guys. You can be creative as much as you want. You can be innovative in ways that you want.
Siyempre, for sure. Diba? Hey! Diba? Example pa lang po yan kung gaano namin i-dominate yung crowd within the ABMs.
Question, what's something special about the ABM atmosphere?
Yung hype na dala po namin, yung genuine heart na dala namin, and then yung new ideas po between the sportsmanship and the organization and then yung different ideas na prepare namin as in the spot po. And that's the crowd.
Bilang isang humanistang Tomasino, kami ay tanyag sa kasabihang lumalakas at tumalaban sapagkat natutunan namin kung paano magbigay boses sa mga silver lining lalo na at nakikita ito sa ating bansang Pilipinas.
What's something significant about your strand? Paano nga ba natin may papakita ang isang Talax Tomasino?
Dominate, syempre!
On a scale of 1 to 10, gaano mo na-enjoy so far ang ating opening ceremony? 10! Complete the sentence. We are STEMasinos, of course! We love Rican!
Let's go HA! Go DOHA! Let's go HA! Ha ha ha! Lumalaban! Ha 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 ha! Lumatabang!
What can you say about the Health Allied performance today?
Sobrang entertaining po at damang-dama po namin yung energy na pinapakita nila sa stage.
Talaga, ramdam na ramdam po namin yung all po nila at nare-represent po ang pagiging vanguard po namin.
Complete the sentence. We are HA Vanguards, of course. 1, 2, 3.
Di na kami natutulog! We are HA Vanguards. Of course, favorite namin kape.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3, go! Musika, sining at disenyo, uwing panalo palaban!
Hilaga, kaluran, timog silangan, ang mga madcats, wala urungan. MADC, ATS,
Go Madcats! Fight, fight!
We're so excited!
So dapat mas kilalanin yung mga PES students. It's because we bring pride and honor to the university. We not only enhance our body but also our minds as well. Our talent is not just limited inside the classroom but also outside. So we go beyond in performing from local to international competitions.
That's a wrap for UST SHS Week Opening Ceremony 2024!